Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Week's Weekly. I'm your new virtual host, here to bring you the latest insights, strategies, and updates from the world of business, technology, and marketing. Whether you're tuning in on YouTube or listening to our podcast, I'm thrilled to be your guide on this journey of knowledge and growth. First up, we'll dive into the latest AI developments. From groundbreaking innovations to practical applications, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is transforming industries and creating new opportunities for businesses of all sizes. Next, we'll uncover the secrets behind successful M&A strategies. Whether you're looking to merge, acquire, or simply understand the landscape better, I'll provide you with the insights and strategies that are driving the most successful deals in today's market. Of course, digital marketing is a game changer, and I'll be sharing the latest trends and tactics that are working right now. From SEO and social media to email campaigns and content marketing, we'll cover everything you need to know to stay ahead of the curve. But let's not forget about offline marketing. In a world that's increasingly digital, traditional marketing methods still hold incredible value. I'll reveal what's working in offline marketing, from direct mail to event marketing, ensuring you have a well-rounded approach to reaching your audience. And of course, one of the pillars of any successful business is a solid sales strategy. I'll share the latest sales techniques and strategies that are moving the needle for my clients and my businesses. From prospecting and lead generation to closing deals and customer retention, you'll get actionable insights to boost your sales performance. So, whether you're a business owner, marketer, or simply someone passionate about growth and innovation, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our podcast. I'm here to help you navigate the ever-changing landscape of business and technology, providing you with the tools and knowledge you need to succeed. Thanks for joining me today. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and let's make the most of these incredible opportunities together. See you in the next episode.